Hello everyone! I am getting ready to do part 2 of what I started yesterday, getting a plant potted, the trellising Jasmine, and I wanted to show you something that I built just a few minutes ago that's going to go in the container. So I just put this together. It's bamboo. I laid it out on the ground and used some twine to string it together, and I started just at the bottom, collecting the 3 together, tied that off, and then spaced them out on the ground and got my cross braces cut. And this will go in here. And I've already got the Jasmine sort of laid out on the ground. I'm trying to squish the dirt around in the pot because it's pretty compacted in there. It's been in there a while. So that'll go in like this, and I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. Well, all I have to fertilize right now is something called rose tone. And it's not ideal because it's not really a root starter like biotone would be. It's by Espoma, and it is organic. And I found this off of Garden Answers YouTube channel. If you haven't visited that channel, you really should, especially if you're trying to get ideas. It's really, I dove right into all of her videos, and it's been really, really helpful. But certainly anything you have around the house that's responsible, and just read the labels, be sure you know what you're fertilizing, and then it's not going into groundwater and gonna affect that or anything. Be mindful of what you have. But this product I've heard really great things about, and the biotone is what I have on my list to get next as a root starter, so be looking out for that. So let me show you. So I ran out of potting soil, unfortunately. I got the last bit of it out. But already it seems like that's a better pot. So what I'm going to do now is put this guy in here. And probably this side makes the most sense. I'm just kind of gently pushing that down in there for some stability. Whoop. Leaning a little bit, but that will work nicely to trellis the Jasmine around. So there's the final landing spot for the Jasmine that's trellising along the fence line. I think it turned out pretty nice, and wrapped it around the little sticks. This would have a good starting point. I'm going to put some more potting soil in it tomorrow and it should be good to go. Thanks for watching as always, and I hope to see you next time.